Hello guys, welcome to how to fix tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue. The system administrator has set a policy to prevent this installation. Okay, whenever you install any program or the software, you are getting this error while you double click on it to run. So resolving this issue is very easy. Open the group policy, go to search bar, type their group policy and open the group policy here. And you must be using the Windows 10 Pro edition in order to access the group policy, or you can manually configure it in a home edition as well. So you need to double click on the administrative templates. Once you double click on that, you should get the windows like this. You need to double click on Windows components and you need to look for Windows installer in a W series. This option, Windows installer, double click on that and we need to double click on this option, turn off Windows installer. It is enabled now, you can see. You need to double click on that and you need to set it as not configured. Click on apply, click on OK. And before that, go to CMD and execute the command to execute the group policies. We have made the setting. Click on yes button when the prompt opens and you need to type as gpupdate /force and hit enter. This will update the group policy since we have made some changes in the group policy. So this command will change the group policy settings. Now you can see updated completely successfully. Now we need to double click on that program or the software and check if your issue is solved or not. If still not solved, again come to group policies. Okay, and this time we need to double click on this option, administrative templates, and this time Windows components, and we need to look for Windows settings. Okay, let me minimize this option, Windows setting, double click on that. Okay, and you need to double click on the security settings, double click on that. Once you double click on that, you need to click this option which says software restriction policies. If you are not able to see the like this, you need to right click on view all task. Okay, and you should be getting windows like this. Let me show you. You should be getting like this. You need to right click new software policies. You need to double click on the enforcements. Okay, and set this option to all user except the local administrators. Click on apply, click on OK and go to CMD and hit this command, same command. Okay, hit this command and once it is done, your issue should fix. Okay, so this is how you can troubleshoot this issue. So hope your issue is fixed now. Now you need to make sure that you must be an admin. If not, you can assign the admin rights to your users and thereafter check your issue should fixed. So this is how you can troubleshoot this issue. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.